are going to learn chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. Example number 1. Given tan is equals to 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratios of the angle A. So here given tan A is equals to 4 by 3. So first draw a right angle triangle. We have to find all ratios of angle A. So here write down A, B, C. So is equal to, we can write opposite side upon adjacent side, because formula of tan is given by O upon A. It means opposite side of angle A. Again I will repeat, opposite side of angle A is 4 times K. So opposite side of angle A is 4K, and adjacent side of angle A is 3K. Here CA is not given, so first we have to find out CA by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so by using Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square is equals to BC square plus AB square. BC square plus AB square. The value of BC is 4K, so 4K square plus AB is 3K, 3K square. Now taking square of 4K square is 16K square plus 3K square is 9K square. Now adding, so we get 25K square. Okay, but we have to find the value of AC. Okay, so taking square root on both the sides, so we get the value of AC is equals to 5K. So write down here 5K. Now see, what is our question? We have to find all other trigonometric ratios. It means tan is given. So our question is find cotangent, then secant, cosecant, sin and cosec. Okay. Now see, what is the formula for finding cot A? Cot is given by A upon O, adjacent side upon opposite side, A upon O. So adjacent side of angle A is AB and opposite side of angle A is BC. So AB upon BC, AB upon BC. Now put the value of AB and BC. The value of AB is 3K and the value of BC is 4K. So 3K upon 4K. 3K upon 4K. K cancel out. So we get 3 by 4. Next find out the sec. Sec is given by H upon A. Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Okay. So hypotenuse of angle A is AC and adjacent side of angle A is AB. So AC upon AB. AC upon AB. The value of AC is 5K. Okay. We have to find by using Pythagoras theorem. So 5K upon AB. AB is 3K. So again K cancel out. So we get 5 by 3. Next cosec A. Cosec A is given by H upon O. So H is AC and opposite side is BC. So we get AC upon BC. The value of AC is 5K and the value of BC is 4K. So 5K upon 4K. So 5, sorry, K cancel out. So we get 5 by 4. Next, sin A. Sin A is given by O upon H, because the cosec and sin is reciprocal to each other. So we get sin A is equals to O by H. So we can write BC upon AC. So 4K upon 5K. So again K cancel out. So we get 4 by 5. Cosec. Cosec is reciprocal of sec. So the formula of cosec is A upon H. So we get AB upon AC. And the value of AB is 3K and AC is 5K. So we get 3 by 5. Example number 2. If angle B and angle Q are acute angles such that sin B is equals to sin Q, then prove that angle B is equals to angle Q. See, here given that two angles are acute angles such that sin B is equal to sin Q. So, start solution. So, first draw here two right angle triangles. Okay, first triangle is ABC, ABC. Is it not true? Because angle B is acute angle. So, here write down C and B. In second triangle, angle Q is acute angle. So, second Q is the acute angle. So, here we can write PQR. Is it clear? Also given that sin B is equals to sin Q. Okay. Also given that sin B is equals to sin Q. Then prove that angle B is equals to angle Q. So we have to prove angle B and angle Q both are same. See, so by using trigonometric ratios, we can find the value of sin B and sin Q. Okay. Sin B is equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse. See, opposite side of angle B is AC upon hypotenuse is AB is equals to same formula apply in second triangle. In sin Q, opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side of angle Q is PR upon hypotenuse is PQ. So it means AC upon AB is equals to PR upon PQ is equals to suppose K, some variable K. Now see, by using Pythagoras theorem, find out BC and RQ using Pythagoras theorem. What is the value of BC? BC square. Okay, first of all write down AB square. AB square equals to AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square. So what is the value of BC? Therefore BC square is equals to AB square minus AC square. AB square minus AC square. So what is the value of BC? In under root AB square minus AC square. Same as find out the value of RQ by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. By using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. Okay. Now use in triangle PQR. So we get PQ square is equals to PR square plus RQ square. PR square plus RQ square. Therefore, what is the value of RQ? So we can write RQ square is equals to PQ square minus shift PR square on left hand side. So we get minus PR square. Therefore, the value of RQ is equals to under root PQ square minus PR square. What to simplify here? So we get AC upon PR is equals to shift PR here and AB here. So we get AC upon PR is equals to AB upon PQ is equals to K. Is it clear? Now see. Now find the ratios of BC and RQ. Is equal to number 1 and 2. Now from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, BC upon RQ is equals to, what is the value of BC? Under root AB square minus AC square, whole divided by under root PQ square minus PR square. Now see, now put the value of AB and AC. What is the value of AC? Now simplify. So what is the value of AC? It gives PRK. PR square K square minus what is the value of AC? So the value of AB is PQ, K square PQ. And what is the value of AC? K square PR square, K square PR square, all divided by under root PQ square minus PR square. Now simplify. So we get K under root, because under root K square will be K. PQ square minus PR square upon under root PQ square minus PR square as it is. So under root PQ square minus PR square we cancel out. So we get K. Now see, it means AC upon PR is equals to AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon RQ. Okay. Therefore, we can write AC upon PR is equals to AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon RQ. BC upon RQ is equals to K. It means SSA criterion, triangle ABC is equivalent to triangle PQR. Therefore, what is the meaning of SSA criterion? It means angle A is equals to angle P, angle C is equals to angle R, and angle B is equals to angle Q. So we can write, therefore, angle B is equals to angle Q. Is it clear?